Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and if you're still looking for a Father's Day gift, you're going to want to watch this video, because today we're going to take a look at Ekster's Smart Wallet series. Let's go ahead and check them out. Now in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the wallet series from Ekster. These are high-grade leather wallets that are smart, they have tech in them, and they're also convenient because they organize your life. So let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now in this video, we're going to take a look at the Senate, which is our classic brown. We're also going to look at the Secretary, which is an Napa black, and this is a thin card solution. And then the last one we're going to take a look at is the Parliament, and this is Napa black. All of these are high-grade leather wallets. In addition to looking at the wallets, we're also going to look at these trackers. And these trackers are going to allow you to find your wallet in the event that you misplace it. So let's say you're at the movie theater, and you know how they have those reclining sofas now? And your wallet is left behind. Your phone will notify you in the event that takes place. And the cool thing about this is that the trackers themselves are solar powered. So if you take a look at this tracker right here, this is going to go in your wallet, and it has a little solar panel here that charges the tracker, and you'll be able to keep it in your wallet, and in the event that you leave it behind, you'll get notified. In the event that you misplace it and it's within 30 feet, you'll be able to find it. And guess what? You can use Alexa and Google too to find your device. Let's check them out. So all these wallets have RFID blocking. Now, if you haven't heard of RFID before, check out your credit cards. And if you have a credit card that has a Wi-Fi symbol on it, it's an RFID credit card. It means that you can tap your credit card on the terminal, and by tapping it, you can actually charge. That's really convenient, but also really scary, because someone can actually, behind you, get close to you and simply get into proximity, and then also capture information from your credit card. So each one of these wallets protects against that. The other thing that these wallets have is a really nifty compartment that allows you to organize your credit cards. I want you to watch this. I'm going to push this button right here, and then notice how all the cards came out. Notice how they all came out in series. So what you could do is actually have your credit cards all stored in here, and simply by pushing the button, take out the credit card you want, right, and then put it back into the slot when you're done with it. I'll go ahead and open up this wallet. You'll notice on the back here I have a tracker, so I'll show you what the tracker looks like. So this is what the tracker looks like. I'm going to put it back in place. And then as I open it up, I have additional compartments. I have a little money clip here where I can put some money. But then if I want to get my credit cards, all I do is I push this button and they come out just like that. Each of these wallets have a similar feature. So if we look at this one right here, the wallet itself is actually two compartments or two components. I can actually separate this, right? So I can put the actual tracker in here if I'd like, or I can put a gym pass, whatever I'd like, a credit card or ID. And then over here I have the same slot mechanism, as you can see here, where I can store a number of cards. So each wallet type can store a number of cards. So you want to make sure that you know how many cards you want to store in the wallet when you purchase the actual Ekster smart wallet. So this is the little mechanism that ejects it. Now, very easy to put back together. All you have to do is, you know, they're going to go aligned just like this. So I'll put it just like this, slide it back in place, and now you have your wallet all set to go. Now this is a pretty cool one because this is great for those of you who just want something simple. So you can put some credit cards in here, you can put some like cash if you want to take with you, and then this is also going to be RFID blocking. It could also have a tracker as well. So really convenient, very small, and again, this is a really convenient, great gift for dad, either as a primary wallet or as a secondary wallet. Let's see how the tracking works. All right, so what you'll do is you'll activate the card in an application that's called Chipolo. And so here we have the Chipolo app, and you'll notice that it has one already connected, and it says that it's my wallet, and the device that it's connected to is my OnePlus 7 Pro. When I tap it, I can actually press ring to find, and we'll listen to this for a second. Hear that? So it's doing an SOS. I'll stop the ringing. And it stops. And again, this is solar charged. So all you have to do is periodically take out the tracker, put it on, out where it can get some sun, and then it's going to charge automatically. Now, if I go back, one other thing that you could do, we'll go back here, is if I swipe over this way, I can actually see the map. I can actually see a map where I am located. I'm using the GPS of my phone and also the last location of the wallet. So if you're at the show or you're at someone's home, you're in the car and you walk away, what you'll do is the car or the application is going to tag where it was last connected. So as soon as you walk 30 feet away from the wallet and the Bluetooth connection gets severed, it's going to tag it for you. Now the other thing that you could do is actually use your voice. Now here's another option I just want to show you at the very bottom. So you have list and then you have map. Once you choose map, it's going to show the map and it's going to show you where you live or where the wallet is or the last time it saw it. So let me show you how the voice commands work. All right, so now let me show you how it works. Ask Chipolo to find my wallet.
Alright, getting Chipolo.
Your Chipolo has started ringing. Do you want me to stop ringing it?
Pretty cool. Stop ringing.
Your Chipolo has stopped ringing.
Pretty cool, right? So that concludes our review of the Ekster Smart Wallet series. I'm telling you, I'm digging the Bluetooth connectivity. I like the organization. I like how easy it is just to push a button to get your credit cards out. It's definitely a great gift for Dad. I'll include the site with the details in the description area, so make sure you check it out, especially if you're still struggling for that special gift for Dad. Thanks for watching.